they don't make appliances like they used to. This food processor is around 40 years old. My father had this when he immigrated to Canada in the 80s, and soon after my mother immigrated, and when she visited his apartment, he already had this there. So the exact age of this food processor is unknown, but if you've seen my videos, I've been using this non-stop. It's a beast. What's the brand? The brand is Mulinex. I don't even know if they're still a company or makes food processors, but I highly doubt anything nowadays will have the same build quality that they had back in the 80s. But unfortunately, last week, my mother and I made ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste, and this old guy was struggling just a bit too much, and we said, you know what, I think it's time we put it to rest. It was shaking, leaking, and we're like, oh, do we have to put you away? It's had a long life, so I took my mother shopping, and she chose out a new food processor to hopefully replace this beast. How long do you think this will last?
कोई आइडिया नहीं. आप अगर थिंक कर रहे हो कि 40 इयर्स जाएगा तो नहीं, 40 इयर्स तो नहीं जा सकता. पहले का जो सारा मटेरियल है वो थोड़ा अच्छा है, सॉलिड है. ठीक है, आजकल के ब्लेड जो है वो जल्दी खराब होते हैं. आई विल सी हाउ लॉन्ग वी गो.
It's too clean. We need haldi in here.
Make dirty.